Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, look at this. By the way, Happy New Year to everyone, guys. I truly love you. You're the best crypto family in the world, the most profitable one, the most supportive one. But let's look at the Bitcoin price, because you can see here after my predicted W here, it actually happened. We broke out exactly as predicted and we went to my price target. Well, do you remember that I was actually also quoting the $29,700 levels just a few hours ago? We perfectly hit it. Actually, I will show it to you up to the exact dollar. Congratulations for everyone who took this trade here. But the most important question right now is, of course, are we going to break out of this bearish biased pattern here, this rising wedge here, to a very specific price target I am going to mention here in this video? Or are we going to follow the probability, break down and go to this bearish price target I am also going to mention in this video? I will share with you exactly what I am actually predicting, what direction I am predicting for the Bitcoin price right now in the immediate short term. And of course, it wouldn't be MMCrypto if I wouldn't show you the future trade here, the next imminent trade for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. You also watch my trades here. I am going to update you here exclusively on my trade on Bybit, $277,000 in a profit. On my trade over on Femex, $93,000 in profits, $96,000 already taken. Of course, my very old trade on Bitcoin, let's make this one legendary, $450,000 in profits. And the trade I just opened like 3-4 days ago or so, I already took more than half in profit here. You know, I put my money where my mouth is. $96,000 in profits already taken, $93,000 I have in unrealized profits. And if you want to take advantage of these big bonuses, make sure you take advantage of that for this limited time here on Bybit, Femex, Udex. I have $700 in accumulated bonuses in the pinned comment. If you click the links, you make an account, and after your initial deposit, you get $700 for free as an experienced trader. Very important to mention. You can use the bonus here for your free trade on Bitcoin. Make sure you are experienced, but make sure you take advantage of that. Also, guys, sit down, scroll down, smash up the like button for the beautiful new year here with Bitcoin approaching nearly $30,000. Let's hit the like button too. 30,000 likes if that's even possible, guys. Thank you so much for your support. You are the most supportive community in the world. Also, press the subscription button, press the bell, and this is important. Press on all, because then you make sure that you get the notifications here when I am releasing the next video. And with that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright, guys, and as always, we are starting here on the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And guys, Happy New Year. Congratulations here to all the recent trades. It was completely mind-blowing the last year. Let's hope that the next year is going to be just as amazing as the last one here, at least when it comes to Bitcoin terms. Because you can see here recently here, since the last video, Bitcoin broke out towards the upside. Not only that we actually completed the W pattern and we hit my price target here perfectly. No, guys, I was actually telling you there's one price level slightly above this one here, which I am expecting the Bitcoin price to hit as well. And this was, as you remember, the $29,700 price level. Actually, the price level, if I were to go over to the daily candles and I pull out this Fibonacci retention level, extension level from the swing high to the swing low, I mean, I was mentioning this one for many times. You can see that this one is actually plotting us approximately a price level of $29,660, as you can see. And well, if I go back to the hourly candles, you can see this is the moment where you really cannot make it up anymore again. I mean, guys, come on, we hit it up to the exact freaking dollar. Can you even believe that? I mean, I was surprised a little bit myself, even though I was predicting this level. And of course, the most important question right now is, are we going to go higher, or is Bitcoin going to get rejected because we are in a rising wedge? And well, this one is going to break imminently. I want to talk about whether it's going to break to the downside or to the upside. And I, of course, also want to talk about with you what price targets I am expecting here for Bitcoin. But for the reason that we hit this level here perfectly, I just wanted to show you one little clip here from 3 days ago where I was predicting this level here up to the exact dollar. Look at this little clip here. But as you remember, I was quoting actually this one here from the swing high to the swing low. And this is actually a price target. And I can can tell you guys, I didn't expect us to hit it that fast. I thought, well, this is a realistic price target for January, and people were already laughing at me. Well, you can see here, after us reaching all the previous price targets, the next one would be here. And it seems so small, it seems so close, yet it is so far, because it is the $30,000 level, the 1.618, the golden extension, the golden ratio here, the extension level of Fibonacci. And this is a level which has to get hit, which always gets hits in every single bull cycle. But in this case, it seems like maybe it is rather sooner than later. Well, and as you can see, we hit this level here completely perfectly here, completely in alignment with the Fibonacci extension level I was just showing you right here, as you can see. Well, the question is, what is going to happen now? Usually the chance of Bitcoin here in a rising wedge is usually higher to break towards the downside. And the bad news is the price target of this specific wedge would be the bottom of the wedge, 25,791. There are a few different measurement tools, but this is the one which I like the most. This is the one which is usually the most successful one. But for this one, we would have to have a volume confirmed breakdown. We would have an hourly candle to close below the wedge. And of course, then also in the best case, confirm the breakdown, even though in a falling wedge, you usually don't need the confirmation here, but it would make it even more powerful. I actually think, and this is something which is completely blowing my mind here for Bitcoin, it is even exceeding my expectations, and you know I'm the biggest bull in the universe out there. You can see we are still creating continuously higher lows and now also continuously higher highs. All of these hourly highs are consecutively here higher highs for Bitcoin. And since the last 2 months, this is the same story. We are creating higher lows for Bitcoin all the time. And this is why we traded all of these patterns here, always with a bullish bias, and we were so successful with that. And right now we see here this, unfortunately, this wedge with a bearish bias. But however, guys, even though we would be breaking down here, I can tell you something, this is not necessarily the blow off top here, because I don't see blow off top signs here unfolding, even though I was telling you, and I still stick to that within this or the next week, this run is over. This is what I can say, at least with a way higher than 50% likelihood, because of the RSI I was sharing with you on the weekly, where we are hitting this very, very crucial level, this very oversold level for Bitcoin. But the question is, if we are actually going to break out, what is the price target? Or if we are going to break down, bounce from here, what would be the eventual price target where we would probably see this blow off top, because it has to happen here at any point of time. And for this one, I wanted again to zoom out here onto the daily candles, because it just works so perfectly well here for the last price targets. These Fibonacci extension levels are just completely magical. And for this, I wanted to pull this time here, this Fibonacci extension level from the swing high to the swing low. And we get the next price target. This one was actually one where I was telling you, I don't expect it in this December. I expect it probably here in January. And no matter if the bullish or bearish scenario comes in place, I think January regardless. And this is the $33,600 level. Once again, guys, don't throw your life savings in. I mean, we were just going up for 2.5 months here, right? So please be a little bit cautious. But the $33,600 level would be actually the 3x Fibonacci extension level of this specific measurement from the swing high in 2019 to the swing low in 2020. And now the question is, will I personally be trading it? Well, not necessarily in the immediate short term. A breakout out of the falling wedge could be possibly a trade here, and here I would like to see a confirmation. Here I would like to see not only volume support, but a confirmation from the previous resistance, which is then turning into support. You could possibly trade that, right? For sure. What I would rather like to see is the Bitcoin price actually breaking down and forming either at this specific support here, a W, trade this W pattern, or at the next support here, unfortunately at the $25,700 level, which would certainly not be a blow off top. It would be actually only a price decline of 11.5%, right? So if we are breaking down, guys, don't get all too crazy here. This is completely normal for Bitcoin. And I mean, we hit all the price targets here, even the last one, with 29,700 US dollars up to the exact dollar. I mean, you cannot make it up anymore. This is just completely too crazy, guys. I just showed you this little clip and I was actually quoting it for 5-6 videos. If you are a regular subscriber to the MMCrypto channel, you remember that. Well, in this price target, I was just eating outside when I saw that it completely blew my mind here. And of course, I want to talk about my trades, my current trades, my future trades, and also the brand new trade where I actually recently took profits. Just wanted to urge you guys, if you appreciate this free content, just sit down, scroll down, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Recently, we got 11,000, more than 11,000 likes on our live video. Completely crazy, guys. Thank you so much. You're the most profitable and the most supportive community in the world. Press the subscription button, press the bell, and press on all. Because if you press the bell and press on all, you make sure that you get notified when I am releasing the next time-sensitive video. And you see, these videos are time-sensitive. These price targets are imminent. So please, guys, make sure you press the subscription button, the bell, and on all. And now the question is, what would be my next trade for Bitcoin? Well, I just told you, the trade towards the upside could be a nice trade if we get the volume confirmed breakout. The trade towards the downside, which is just technically from a rising wedge perspective, the more likely here, even though we are having higher lows for Bitcoin, you can trade it. I am standing on the sidelines if that happens. I would be trading a bounce here if we are getting a double bottom, a W, and then a confirmed breakout above the W, whether it's at this support or at this support. I am very sure, like not 100% of course, but I just predicted it right here, and I predicted it right here also at this other W pattern, that probably a dump could lead to another W here and then a trend reversal for a last run towards the upside. But let's wait and see here. Let's wait for the charts to tell us what to do, because the charts are actually changing all the times, and as a professional trader we are waiting for the charts to tell us what to do. Not our mind, not our bias, not what we actually want the price to do. No, we are waiting for the chart to talk with us, and then we are reacting accordingly. This is what makes a professional trader, and this is what makes you the most profitable community in the crypto world here. I can tell that with a very high confidence level. Let's wait and see here. Of course, we are hoping for a breakout towards the upside. And of course, guys, remember that I have right now $700 US in accumulated bonuses in the pinned comment down below. It is for limited time. If you sit down, scroll down, and you use these links, Bybit, Femex, Dudex, you get $700 US for free by using the link, clicking on the link, making an account, and after your first deposit, you can get these bonuses for free. You can trade on the exchange for free with your bonuses, not even touching your own money, and with the profits from this free trade also completely for free as well. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, click the subscription box right here and click the Bybit tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.